Hi guys, now we will start second part of speech, that is pronoun. And let's start. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used instead or in place of noun. For example, first, I am young, you are young. Third, he is young. I, we, you, they are all called as personal pronoun because they stand for three persons. Number one, the person speaking. Second, the person spoken to. Third, the person spoken of. Reflexive pronoun. When self is added to my, your, him, and selves to your, them, we get what are called compound personal or reflexive pronoun. For example, I hurt myself. Second, we hurt ourselves.